Morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn about interview questions regarding VLSI DFT. So my first question is, what are the signals defined in scan? So we can define scan input, scan output, scan enable, test mode, test mode signal, and scan clock. Next question is, why we need compression? To reduce the test application time and test data volume, we need a compression. What is lockup latch? Lockup latch is basically used to avoid loading and unloading issues by adding a off-cycle delay. It is inserted between two flops for which the clock is taken from first flop. What happens if we have a positive triggered flops followed by negative triggered flops? In a single cycle, loading and unloading of data happens. So to avoid this, we use lockup latch and provide off-cycle delay so as to attain a good capture of data. If serial fails, chain test also fails. What is the reason? Chain consisting of scan flops which are connected in series. So if serial fails, chain test also fails. What is clock skew? Capture clock latency minus launch clock latency. What happens if we go on increasing the compression? So if we increase the compression ratio, number of scan chains increase, coverage decreases. Which is same as at speed frequency, functional frequency or shift frequency. Functional frequency is same as at speed frequency. Next, what are the scan channels? External scan chains are called the scan channels. So internal core, with those are called the scan chains. What is contention violation? When a signal input is driven by two or more nets, it's called the contention violation. If we have a two clocks with 55 megahertz, 1 gigahertz, which frequency will you use for shifting and why? We use the low frequency for shifting to avoid the power dissipation. Low frequency means time period is high, the switching activity is low. So we'll continue in our next video, remaining questions. So please share and subscribe my channel.